Hey everyone, Raya here, and today we're diving into the latest innovation in robotics, Figure 2, the newest humanoid robot from Figure Robotics. This isn't just a prototype, it's a step closer to real-world use. What makes Figure 2 so special? First, its 6 onboard cameras and human-like hands give it exceptional precision and strength, handling tasks like lifting up to 25 kilograms. Thanks to its AI partnership with OpenAI, this robot can interact through voice commands, making it feel more intuitive and human-like. Plus, its extended battery life and advanced computing power mean it can work autonomously in environments like warehouses or automobile manufacturing, a major leap in efficiency. Figure Robotics designed this robot to adapt and learn by observing humans and working in simulated environments. This isn't just a fancy gadget, it's built to handle real-world tasks that are repetitive, unsafe, or undesirable for human workers. They've partnered with BMW to see how Figure 2 can assist in auto manufacturing, a great example of how humanoid robots are becoming more integral in industries. While it's aimed at labor-intensive industries, there's an underlying question: could humanoid robots replace human jobs? The Figure 2 is designed to work alongside people, improving efficiency, but it's clear that as robotics evolve, we'll need to rethink the future of work. What do you think? Are robots like Figure 2 helpful partners, or are they stepping into spaces meant for humans? Let me know your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech deep dives.